Illinois will start to pay more money to compensate people who were wrongfully convicted. A Chicago man helped to push for this change after receiving a certificate of innocence decades after he was sent to prison. Patrick Fazio spoke with him about the fight to change the law.
Nearly 3 years after a judge freed him,
I still live with my sister. You know, I can't afford to get an apartment. I can't afford to get a lot of the things that I would want to get.
Jimmy Soto keeps fighting for fair compensation for his 42 years behind bars, considered the longest wrongful imprisonment in Illinois history.
I tell you, there was times that you lose hope. You feel like you're never going to get out. You feel like nobody's hearing you.
As a 20-year-old, he and his cousin David Ayala were arrested and convicted for a 1981 double murder in Chicago's Little Village neighborhood.
I would be close to retirement age right now, you know, so I have zero to show for it. I have very little in the bank, and yeah, I have to live paycheck to paycheck.
The 65-year-old Soto and his cousin each received a certificate of innocence last July, but Illinois law capped compensation at less than $300,000, no matter how many years wrongly imprisoned.
I went down there and I testified to the legislators and let them know how it was for someone like me and others, how we have to struggle financially.
Soto helped convince state lawmakers to support the Certificate of Innocence Act. It passed unanimously, and Governor Pritzker signed it into law this month. It increases compensation up to $50,000 for each year wrongly imprisoned.
Over 30 states have some type of statutory compensation. Prior to this new bill, Illinois was ranked near the bottom. Now Illinois is in the middle.
Attorney Russell Ainsworth with the Exoneration Project is suing Chicago police and Cook County prosecutors for Soto's wrongful conviction.
It is getting to be routine for cases to take 4 years or more from filing the case to getting to trial.
That's why Soto pushed to increase the state compensation in Illinois for himself and other exonerees.
There is a shortage of attorneys that do that type of work. So as you can imagine, that leaves so many people who cannot get the help.
After earning his bachelor's degree in prison, Soto is enrolling in law school this fall to become an attorney for the wrongly imprisoned.
That's what drives me, the fact that I know that there's people in there that don't deserve to be in there, that are actually innocent.
Patrick Fazio, NBC5 News.
Thank you, Patrick.